Look at the crowd, and it's America. America.
I saw a megalodon.
What? It's a river.
I know! How am I surprised? Sorry for the bad quality.
I'm not even filming the fireworks. It's just filming your ear.
No, I'm not.
Oh, here. Okay.
There we go. Now I got a close up.
Girl, stop.
Gotta go skinny dipping.
So what? What did you just say?
What?
Skinny dipping. Since when did you?
I'm joking.
Yeah, sure. Sure, Tyson. Just a random night in Waltham. Don't come here.
Bro, what?
Sorry, but we're at the maximum capacity. No one else can go in.
Whoa.
No, literally, it looks like we're at the maximum capacity. And for once, instead of having to go to Plimpton, it's a little bit more convenient because it's in the middle of town. Oh wow, it's a bald eagle! I was about to drop my phone in the water,
Oh my god, child.
but I'm not. In fact, I'm gonna get a little bit more inner so I don't have
Exactly.
to. It's smart, I know. Tyson, why don't you get out your phone?
You're lying.
I just saw you using your phone.
Exactly.
I just saw
You're
you using your
lying.
phone. I know she's lying. I know.
Al cerrito que le llaman. Ahí van a inaugurar mañana un juego de 9 de la mañana a 2 de la tarde.
I'm gonna hold my phone very tight and then jump.
That's no.
Look, I'm doing it right now.
You're like blocking other people's view. Get your tall behind out of the way.
Hey!
Oh, actually, maybe man. Is he blocking
My view.
Okay.
Hey, that's offensive.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
I'm highly offended.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright, I forgive
I'm
you.
offended that you're tall.
Since when were you tall and short? You're pretty much like 5'5". You're taller than Adriel. I know
I'm
that.
not 5'5". That's my dad.
Your dad is
I'm not
5'5"? Wait, who is with you right now? Like, who are the people with you right now? Like
Those are like my friends, parents. I actually have to go back to them. Like I don't want to ruin anyone's moment.
Where's your dad and mom?
My mom's in Florida. I told you. I tell everyone that my mom is in Florida. My dad is like, at
What are
home
you?
right now.
Are you 5'5" or?
I'm 5'2.5".
Oh, around the same height as Adriel.
I'm taller than him. He still thinks he's taller than me.
He's delusional.
One more five. Okay, I gotta
I'm just
go.
messing with you.
Oh,
Wait,
so,
you're leaving?
I need a drink. I'm like really dehydrated.
Well, Jordan just left. Now I have a.
What?
Now I have a.
Pero fue en Riviera.
This is not the finale. If it was the finale, then it would go cracking. In fact, right now it's